Hello friends, I am Rounakshah here, author, advisor and corporate trainer. Many a time, salespeople, sales manager, directors, company owners, they always complain that customers buy cheaper products from us. We have better products with better prices and better features, but customers don't buy those products and we don't make huge profit. Our profit margin is very narrow. Let us assume that you have 50 rupees price, 50 rupees product and you have 100 rupees product. What happens? Customer says, I'll buy cheaper product because he want to avoid the risk. So he will not go for 100 rupee price product. So he buys 50 rupee products. Now I am going to give you a game changer. If you want to sell 100 rupee product, what you should do is you should introduce a third price. Say 150. You should augment certain features and you should add some services and say we have a third price of 150. Now you have three prices, 50, 100 and 150. Earlier you have two prices, 50 and 100. Customer used to say I will not go for higher prices. He'll go for 50. But now when you have three prices, customer feels I'll not overbuy it and I'll not underbuy it. I should not go for 150. I should not go for 50 also. It's too cheap. So I think I'll settle for 100. And that is what you wanted to sell. This will be a game changer. Remember friends, Starbucks, it has got three options. McDonald's, for burgers, it has got three options. If you benefit from this suggestion, friends, do write to me in comment or do call me. This is Rounakshah signing off. Ciao.